6 vitamins to clean your fatty liver. Could a silent enemy be lurking within you right now, taking hold of your health without you even realizing it? This hidden invader is none other than fatty liver disease, a condition stealthily affecting your body's superstar organ, your liver. With every passing year, our lifestyle choices, diet, and even certain medications can unwittingly fuel this threat, leading us down a path towards severe health complications. But there's hope on the horizon. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a secret weapon: 6 power-packed vitamins that can cleanse your fatty liver, helping you reclaim the reins of your health. And if you think that's exciting, just wait. We've got a special bonus for those who join us for the entire journey. A golden nugget of advice so powerful, it could be the game changer in your fight against fatty liver disease. So buckle up, stay tuned, and get ready to transform your health. Don't miss out. Just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. If you're not feeling your best, it's always smart to chat with your doctor. What are the signs that someone might have a fatty liver problem? Well, here are some clues to watch out for. Right side discomfort. You might feel pain or tenderness on the right side of your body, especially around your shoulder, neck's right side, or just above your right rib cage. Belly fat and a pot belly. If you notice your belly looking a bit rounder or pot-shaped, it's a signal that your liver might have too much fat, and some of it is spilling into areas around your abdomen. Spider veins. Those tiny spider veins on your skin can show up because your liver isn't doing its job well in filtering out estrogen. This can lead to weakening of the valves in your veins. Enlarged breasts, especially in men. If you're a man and notice your breasts are getting larger, it could be a sign of high estrogen levels due to liver damage. Underactive thyroid. A sluggish thyroid can result from liver damage, as the liver plays a big role in converting thyroid hormones. Swollen right foot. If your right foot is swelling while your left one is just fine, it's a common sign of poor blood circulation caused by the excess fat in your liver. Thankfully, the liver has a remarkable ability to fully heal itself when you adopt healthy habits and nourish it with the right nutrients. So, here are the 6 vitamins to clean your fatty liver. Number 1. Vitamin D3 and K2. Research indicates that when people don't get enough vitamin D, they often face a condition called fatty liver disease. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it when our skin soaks up sunlight. Many people worldwide don't get enough of this vitamin due to factors like working indoors, genetics, or limited sunlight during the winter. Also, vitamin K2 plays a role in various processes related to fatty liver, and its levels are linked to metabolic dysfunction-associated fatty liver disease. Consequently, incorporating vitamin D3 and K2 supplements into your routine can be a valuable step toward improving liver health and reducing inflammation in liver cells. Number 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E, particularly a special type called tocotrienols, can do wonders for your liver. You see, your liver's job is to clear out harmful toxins from your body. It does this with the help of an antioxidant called glutathione. But when your liver gets fatty or inflamed, it might not produce enough glutathione, allowing toxins to hang around and potentially cause immune issues later on. To amp up your glutathione levels, you can load up on foods rich in vitamin E, like unroasted sunflower seeds, avocados, almonds, Swiss chard, hazelnuts, and leafy greens. Now, if you're thinking of vitamin E supplements, look for tocotrienols. This type of vitamin E is 50 times stronger than the regular kind, tocopherols. They can even help dissolve scar tissue and fibrosis in your liver. Please remember that it's important to keep in mind that before you start taking any supplements, it's crucial to consult with a certified healthcare professional. This step ensures your safety and well-being. Did you find these tips useful? Great! Stick around, because we've got some valuable advice coming your way to detoxify your liver. Number 3. TUDCA, short for toro or deoxycholic acid, is a special substance that resembles something found in bear bile, a remedy used for centuries to help people with liver and gut issues. The liver does a fantastic job producing bile, which helps break down fats and soak up useful fat-loving vitamins like A, D, E, and K. But sometimes people don't have enough bile, and that makes digesting fats difficult. It can lead to problems with your gallbladder, gallstones, not getting enough vitamins, and even something called pancreatitis if a stone blocks your bile duct. Now, TUDCA comes into the picture to save the day. It helps thin out the bile, clear away excess fat, and kick out toxins from your body. Plus, it's a pro at digesting fats from your meals, which is super handy, especially for people who've said goodbye to their gallbladders. Believe it or not, TUDCA is naturally found in your body, and people in China have been using it for ages to keep their digestion in tip-top shape and support their livers. So, in essence, TUDCA offers a lifeline for those grappling with liver and digestive issues. Number 4. Choline. Choline is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy liver. Research has connected a lack of choline to the development of fatty liver disease, but there is promising evidence that taking choline supplements can help prevent this condition. But why is choline important? Choline assists in producing bile, a special liquid that aids in digesting fats and eliminating harmful toxins from your body. Additionally, choline is essential for crafting a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which supports concentration, sleep, and memory formation, and guard against age-related memory decline. You can easily incorporate choline into your diet by enjoying foods like pasture-raised eggs, shrimp, salmon, scallops, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Number 5. SAMe. S-Adenosyl-Methionine. Many individuals develop fatty liver issues and inflammation due to excessive consumption of inflammatory foods, exposure to toxins, or the use of certain medications, all of which can lead to harmful free radical damage. SAMe plays a vital role in enhancing liver function by reducing inflammation and significantly elevating glutathione levels. Scientific research has demonstrated that SAMe enhances the liver's phase 2 detoxification process, where it transforms toxins and harmful substances in the bloodstream into harmless particles through a process called methylation. If you're thinking about giving this supplement a try, it's a wise move to have a chat with a healthcare expert. It's a prudent step to ensure your well-being. They can provide you with valuable guidance and insights tailored to your needs. Number 6. Milk thistle. Silymarin. Milk thistle, an herbal remedy with a rich history of healing, contains a group of special plant nutrients known as silymarin. These compounds possess remarkable detoxification properties that can greatly benefit your body. To harness these benefits, it's advisable to consume dried milk thistle in its natural form. This regimen can enhance the performance of your liver cells or hepatocytes. Research has demonstrated that silymarin can effectively reduce insulin resistance, a common factor underlying fatty liver conditions. Moreover, it has the capacity to enhance liver enzymes, facilitating the detoxification of substances like alcohol, medications, toxins, and environmental pollutants. Additionally, silymarin plays a crucial role in boosting glutathione. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your liver against further damage, preventing the development of fibrosis or cirrhosis, which involves the formation of scar tissue. Incorporating milk thistle into your daily routine can unlock these impressive health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your wellness regimen. Thanks for making it this far. Now that we've discussed the 6 essential vitamins for cleaning your fatty liver, we will now explore the underlying factors responsible for this condition. Here are the 6 fundamental triggers of fatty liver disease. Excessive carb intake. Consuming an abundance of foods rich in sugar, starch, or fructose forces your liver into overdrive, resulting in increased production of triglycerides and cholesterol. Overuse of painkillers and antibiotics. Regularly taking medications like acetaminophen, ibuprofen, corticosteroids, and others can harm your liver cells, leading to the accumulation of fat within the organ. Lack of vital nutrients. Insufficient levels of choline, niacin, B3, folate, B9, vitamin B12, or vitamin D can induce liver damage, as these nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining liver health. Artificial sweeteners. Overindulging in artificial sweeteners can diminish the population of beneficial gut microbes, weakening intestinal walls. This enables endotoxins to circulate in your bloodstream, potentially harming your liver cells. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol in excess remains one of the primary contributors to fatty liver disease. By understanding these underlying factors, you can take proactive steps to protect your liver and maintain its optimal function. Get ready for the exciting part of this video now, where we'll reveal several effective ways to rejuvenate your liver. You must make the following important changes to your everyday routine if you want to turn a fatty liver into a healthy one. Number 1. Improve your eating habits. Start by cleaning up your diet. Reduce your intake of sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods like bread, biscuits, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, and soda. Also, cut down on fruit juices and sweet fruits because a fatty liver is sensitive to fructose. Number 2. Embrace nutrient-rich foods. Incorporate foods rich in bitterness and sulfur. Include leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild salmon, walnuts, scallions, and broccoli sprouts in your meals. These sulfur-rich foods help your liver shed excess fat by boosting glutathione levels and aiding in detoxification. Number 3. Try intermittent fasting. Consume all your daily calories within a 6-hour window, a practice known as intermittent fasting. This significantly enhances liver health by reducing inflammation and promoting the hormone IGF-1, which reduces the production of new fat in the liver. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water each day. Proper hydration thins the blood, making it easier for your liver to transport fats to where they need to go. Number 5. Incorporate liver cleansing ingredients. Make an effort to include liver cleansing herbs and spices in your diet. Examples include turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, dandelion root, milk thistle, reishi mushrooms, and green tea. Number 6. Support bile production. Promote healthy bile production in your liver and gallbladder by taking a purified bile supplement in the morning on an empty stomach. Options include TUDCA, purified bile salts, bile acid factors, or a digestive enzyme blend containing ox bile. These supplements aid in removing fats from the liver and preventing the formation of gallbladder stones. By making these lifestyle changes, you can effectively reduce fat buildup in your liver and enhance its overall health. It's important to remember that fatty liver disease results from an accumulation of fats in the liver, potentially leading to serious complications. Did you enjoy this video? If yes, then check out this other video to further improve your health. Thanks for watching.